Hey everyone! Trying to open a website in Google Chrome and seeing the "this site can't be reached" error? I know how annoying that can be, but don't worry. It's a very common issue and completely fixable. Let's go through the best solutions step by step. First, let's understand why this happens. This error usually appears because internet connection issues, DNS problems, corrupted browser cache, firewall or antivirus blocking the site, incorrect network settings, problematic Chrome extensions, or sometimes even an issue with the website itself. Now let's fix it. Fix number 1. Check your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi off and back on, or restart your router. If you're using mobile data, check your signal. Also, try opening another website. If other sites are working, then the issue is likely with that specific site or your DNS settings. Fix number 2. Flush your DNS cache. This clears outdated network data. On Windows, open Run, type cmad, then enter ipconfig/flush DNS. On Mac, open Terminal and run the flush cache command. This forces your system to refresh the website address and often fixes the issue instantly. Fix number 3. Change your DNS server. Default DNS can sometimes be slow or unreliable. Switch to Google DNS like 8.8.8.8 and 8.84.4 or Cloudflare DNS like 1.11.1. You can change this in your network settings, and it often solves the problem right away. Fix number 4. Clear Chrome cache and cookies. Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete on Windows or Command-Shift-Delete on Mac. Select All Time, then clear cached files and cookies. Restart Chrome and try again. Fix number 5. Disable Chrome extensions. Some extensions like VPNs or ad blockers can block websites. Go to Extensions and turn them off one by one to find the problem. Fix number 6. Reset Chrome settings. Type chrome/settings/reset in the address bar and restore default settings. You can also reset Chrome flags to remove any experimental changes. And that's it. Check your connection, refresh your DNS, change DNS servers, clear cache, disable extensions, and reset Chrome. Follow these steps and the error should be gone. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Is your rewritten spoken text only